Hey YouTubers, Danger Hungry is here. This is gonna be my first DIY video, so bear with me on how laggy my tutorials are and how laggy this video gets. I'm gonna show you guys how I made this kawaii marshmallows out of felting wool. Cooking isn't the only thing I do for my channel. This is kinda my hobby that I haven't done felting for a really long time. So let's get started. All you need is black, white, and hot pink wool, a sponge with the rough side part, and felting needle. Also something flat like a hard book. Roll up the white wool into a cylinder and start constantly poke it all around until it feels really firm. Turn it up and poke the top part to make it flat. Same with the other side. Do the best you can to get a good marshmallow shape. At this moment, it feels a little squishy. Just continue stabbing. I know this may look long, but there's ways to fix it. Just hold by squishing the wool and stab the top part to make the marshmallow look a little bit shorter. Same with the other side. Hold very tight while stabbing on the other part to even things out. Add a little more white wool if necessary. Roll it up and continue stabbing. Now this part is done. Next we're going to start with the eyes. I took a little strand of black wool and rolled it up into a ball. Take your felting needle and start stabbing where you want the eyes to be. Just like that. Take a second strand and roll into a ball and put where you want the second eye to be. And start stabbing until it doesn't fall out. Make sure you get the right eye shape. There's ways to fix your mistakes. I gotta stab the body part also to keep it more firm. I took a smaller strand of white wool to make the eye pupils. Make sure they're not too big. Roll it up and poke the pupil into the black circle. Okay, I'm gonna use one felting needle instead to make it easier. Make sure it stays on. Now for the second pupil. Now we do the mouth. Take a small amount of black wool and make a smiley mouth, or a sad mouth, your choice. I picked the smiley mouth to make it look very happy. Carefully place the mouth on the right spot and stab until it's not loose. And again, sorry that my knuckles are in the way. If there's any extra strand, cut that part off. Finish the end. Make sure no loose strands. Get a small strand of pink wool and roll up into a ball for the blush. And then stab close to the eyes. Okay, I made a mistake by not making the eyes big enough, so I'm gonna add a little more black wool. Okay, I got the eyes all fixed. Gonna add the pupils again. Same thing as I explained earlier. Make sure the pupils are not crooked like I did. All done. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys soon. Bye.